best budget tripod for your YouTube videos in 2025. So hello guys, namaste everyone, welcome to the SRTech another new video. So to shoot your YouTube videos, to make reels content for TikTok, Instagram as well, you need to mount your smartphone in any object or anything. You have to mount your smartphone or your DSLR camera to make stable reel or stable video. So to mount your smartphone, you need this kind of tripod. In this video, I will show you the very best and budget tripod to make your YouTube videos and other contents in 2025. So I have bought this tripod recently from Daraz. So in this video, we're gonna unbox this tripod, and right now I am shooting this video also from this tripod. So if your video is not stable, if your video or content is sagging, then your video quality will automatically be down, and it will be not good to see to your audience or viewers also. So to make your stable content, stable video or reels for any Instagram reels, YouTube content, then you should purchase this kind of tripod where you can mount your smartphone or any DSLR camera, and your phone or camera will be stable and your video also look very good. So in this video, we're gonna first unbox this tripod and what is its price. And if you want to buy or purchase this tripod, this same tripod, then you can just simply go to my description or in the comment section also. I will pin this purchase link of this same tripod. So now let's gonna unbox and all information about this tripod, how can you use it, and all details. So without wasting time, we're gonna start this video. But before that, if you are new in this channel, then please share, subscribe and like this video, and also press the notification bell icon, set it for all for my new latest videos updates. So without wasting any time, let's move to unboxing. So now guys, let's see what's inside this box. So now I'm going to unbox this. I have ordered this from Daraz. So first of all, I very fast open this seal. So you can see this packaging of this tripod. Okay, tripod 3120A. Overall, you can see this box of this tripod. So now I unbox this. Another side also. Okay. So dan our new tripod here, budgetable. Okay, this is maybe a mobile holder to mount, and I just open this bag. 3, 2, 1. Anything else? No, this much. This also. Okay. So guys, now you can see the packaging of this tripod. So it's very good packaging, and here also one rubber band. So I just unboxed this tripod 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so now guys, you can see this whole outlook of this tripod. This may be liquid some. Okay, in black color. Okay, yeah, something like this. So you can see this overall whole look of this tripod. 1, 2, 3. Oh sorry, oh, not like this. Okay, so this is the tripod look. How you can see this this mobile holder. Maybe here we can put this or mount our mobile phone or camera. So guys, this is the unboxing of this new tripod. Now let's gonna review this and whole information about this tripod. So now let's begin to it. So friends, this was the unboxing of this tripod. Now I will show you the maximum height of this tripod, how much you can expand it to record your videos. So the maximum height, I will now fully open this all the knots of this tripod, and I will show you. Now guys, the last and most important thing, what is its price? So price let's talking about its price. The price of this tripod, basically, by the way, I have purchased this from Daraz. So in Daraz, this tripod price is 450. There is a 25% discount also. So I have purchased this in this discount rate, 25% discount maybe. So in your screen, you can see this tripod price in Daraz for now. So 450 or something, this tripod price is this. So if you want to buy this same tripod, then you can just go to my description or comment box, then you can easily click on that purchase link and you can buy this same tripod. So this was for today. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also share this video to more people. And in future also I will make many other unboxing videos in any other instruments. Bye bye guys.